Okay, so today we are going to be looking at how to cross multiply within a proportions problem. A proportion is, I have two proportions set up here. It's two fractions or two ratios compared with equals. So here we have triangle over rectangle equals x over circle. But here we have 4 over 7 equals x over 14. These are two ratios compared with equals. 1 ratio, 2 ratio, 1 ratio, 2 ratio. Okay. The way we do our cross multiplying is this. You need to set up the problem first. So when we think about cross multiplication, let's think about these two circle-y things that I just drew. We want to do triangle times circle and write that down. Exactly what I just said. Triangle times circle equals, you write down the equal sign, and then rectangle times x, rectangle times x. From this step, to get x by itself in math, we have to divide by the coefficient, the number that comes in front of x. In this case, it's not a number, it's a square, but if we divide by the rectangle, they'll eventually cancel out and leave us x by itself. But then we also need to divide by rectangle on the other side of the equation. If we look at all these terms as triangle, rectangle, and circle, we can do the exact same setup as here. This is our formula. So here we have 4 times 14, but don't do the multiplication yet, just write it. 4 times 14, and then equals 7 rectangle times x. 7 times x. Now 4 times 14 is the same as, I don't know, I have to do that. 4 times 14 is 6, 1, 4, 5. 56. So now we do that multiplication, so we have 56 equals 7 times x. Triangle times circle is 56, but now we have to divide by square. The square is 7, divide each side by 7, and then x is going to equal 8. This is how to set up cross multiplication, and then this is how to do the math.